To request an extension for your tax-exempted organization, select Form 8868. Organizations you have previously filed will display in the organization list. To add a new organization, select Add Organization. Enter the organization's name and tax ID under Organization Information. Then enter the organization's address information in the address fields below. Select Save and continue to move on. For Books and Cares section, list the information of whoever is responsible for the organization, along with their address information. Then select Save and Continue. For the tax year information, select the beginning and ending dates of the organization's accounting period from the drop-down list. If less than 12 months, select the reason from the drop-down list below. From the drop-down menu, select the tax form you would like to have the extension of time to file applied. Enter the total amount of the organization's taxes, if any, and the credits and payments amounts, to calculate the balance due. To provide payment through Tax2efile, select the check box. Under the IRS Payment Authentication section, provide officer name and details. Review your information and select Save and Continue when ready to submit. The amount due for e-filing will be displayed at the top of the payment page. To complete the submission of your 8868, enter your payment information below and select the Pay Now button at the bottom of the page.